Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the world of physics. Today our topic is Newton's laws of motion. First of all, we are going to discuss Newton's first law of motion. According to the statement of Newton, first law of motion, an object remains at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled to change by an external net force acting on it. The main factor over here is velocity. How velocity is the main factor? Because whenever there is a force acting on the object, its velocity will not change. Whenever there is no force acting on the object, its velocity will not change. Definitely, force is required to change the velocity. If an object is initially at rest, it will always remain in rest if there is no external force acting on the body. If an object is moving with constant velocity, it will always remain in constant velocity unless no external force is applied on the body. So in absence of any external force, an object remains at rest, or it will remain continuing its constant velocity motion if no external force is applied. So when there is no force, then there will be no change in velocity. Del V is equal to 0. As there is no change in velocity, then acceleration is equal to 0, because acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. First law of motion is also called law of inertia. Why it is called law of inertia? Because inertia is the property of an object which resists any change in its state. Inertia resists any change in its state. If the object is at rest, it resists to move. If the object is in motion, it resists to become at rest. So inertia is the tendency of an object which will resist any change in its present state. Inertia is the measurement of mass. As inertia is the measurement of mass, then more is the mass, more will be inertia. Less is the mass, less will be inertia. Now we are going to discuss an example of inertia. For an example, I will take a glass, I will take a cardboard paper, and I will take a coin. When a coin is placed on glass, on a cardboard paper, and cardboard is placed on the glass, due to inertia, the coin wants to remain in its position when we are going to flick the cardboard. So when we are going to flick the cardboard, coin should remain at the same position and it should fall in the glass like this. Just look, like this. We have flicked the cardboard, but the coin remained on the cardboard and it is fallen in the glass. This is Newton's first law of motion. Thank you very much.